everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be going through how to put on the pumps for your bigger 4-litre resin kits. So other than that, let's just get straight into it. So the Craft Resin 4-litre Pro Kit just looks like this. It's absolutely massive, perfect for all them projects. So let's see what you get inside. So inside your box you'll get the how to use manual. Make sure to check this out, and with any resin you use, make sure you're putting your health and safety first. You also get your 2 big bottles, so you get your big bottle of resin and your big bottle of hardener, along with your pumps, which I'll show you how to use in a minute, and a little stirring stick too. So inside the packet of your pumps, get 2 of the pumps and then 2 of these tubes. So what I would recommend doing before you attach the tube is to just twist one end from the other, and then it just releases that mechanism there, and so it'll be ready to go once you pop it in your bottle. I would recommend doing this step before adding it to your bottle. It just makes it so much easier. And then again you just do it the same on the other one, just to release it like that. And then you add your tube and twist it in. Same with the other one. So then it's really easy to attach it to the bottle. All you need to do is twist your cap off. Then it's got an extra little cap on the top as well. You might want to use gloves for this part so your hands don't get really messy. Okay, and then you just pop it straight on top like that, and then screw it into place, and then your resin is all ready to go. It really is that simple, so make sure if you have any questions, pop them below or contact Craft Resin, and definitely tag us in your creations because we love to see the things that you create with Craft Resin. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and other than that, I will see you in the next video.